Managing type 1 diabetes is a relentless 24/7 job. Most digital health tools are reactive. They sound an alarm when a problem is already here. We believe care should be proactive. It should provide foresight, not just warnings. This is Glycemic Sentinel. So the Glycemic Sentinel is a swarm of 8 AI agents orchestrated by Google ADK that analyzes health data to deliver proactive insights. So let's run a scenario. Let's say complex meal about delay spike. So everything have been instantly analyzed, and um, here is a heads up that is here it is given a warning about a kind of delay spike, and it shows its steps. This is the verification, and this is the insights. You can go deep and know why. So, but how can you trust an AI with with your health? And this is where the Sentinels, uh, our self-refining verification loop comes in. So here, let me run it. This is a custom scenario, and it should be able to handle this. So now we have the output, and with 98% confidence, let's see. So we can see the AI was able to handle the edge scenario thanks to the forecast verifier. So that's how the Glycemic Sentinel architecture works. So first in phase one, AI scenario generator sees the workflow. The simulator agent then creates system data and context data. Next, the data enter our core innovation phase, the refinement loop. So here our brain agent generates a forecast. It generates a forecast which is immediately challenged by our verifier agents using grounding tool. It assesses the forecast and provides feedback. And then our custom confidence check agent then decides if the insight is verified or if the loop needs to run again. Once verified, the data moves to phase three. And this is where our presenter agent delivers the final trustworthy insights to the user. This prototype demonstrates a new paradigm for AI in chronic care, one that's proactive, collaborative, and built for safety. The future of Glycemic Sentinel is a fully integrated copilot that replaces the indignity of disease with confidence or foresight. Thank you.